there's actually a huge gap between what a civil engineer is expected to do in the corporate world and what is taught in engineering colleges.
Ascent Leadership Program is a unique 6-day program designed by the experts from the construction industry to fill these gaps.
Some of the brightest students from top engineering colleges were selected and trained in high-income skills and were given strategic mentorship.
Students had an opportunity to fill in the shoes of different stakeholders like the clients, contractors, subcontractors, and consultants. And the real case study was given to solve the business problem.
This is one of the best that I've attended. So normally this is not what we get in the college and all.
This leadership program, I learned that what people know is nothing. Just a drop, and there's a whole ocean out there. Civil and how much scope is there.
And what I didn't know, I got to learn from ALP. So that was the attractive point.
It was great, even offline and online, both were exciting.
All the mentors were very interactive. So whatever questions we had, they straight away gave some good answers.
After attending this test, I feel like I have a clear picture.
It was very good, and honestly, I got to know about new things. It was really good. It was like a new feeling. One thing I learned is how to face the problems and how to make the decision also.
Everything that's been taught is not the same as what we have been taught in college, the normal syllabus and technical aspects. But here it's something different, and it's something new that to experience.
I will give 10 out of 10. 9.6 out of 10.
I will give 10 out of 10.